This dude he had some beef going on. I mean, he had something going on. This was about a year. What was it?
Yeah.
Something like that. So he had something going on in YouTube, you know what I'm saying? And I've been dealing with haters, so I know I had this. This man.
It was new for me.
Yeah, it's new for him. But I've been dealing with it. So this man, I'm calling you to check up on you. Like, but I changed my number and I didn't realize it. So he was like, "Who's this?" I thought he was joking. I'm like, "Man, you know who this is." I said,
"You did say you know this is."
I said, "We have a common friend."
Yes.
And he was like, and I said, "Man, this Czech. F you biatch." No. I'm like,
"You ain't Czech."
What? So I called my homeboy. I'm like, "Yo, bro, what I did to Richie? This man calling me a bitch and all."
I don't believe I called you a bitch. I think I said eat a D. I think I said eat a D.
You didn't just say bitch. You said biatch.
I'm the Travel O.G, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. We're bringing you exclusive interviews, showing you what the golf courses are like, the caddies are like, what the homies like. Zoom to Thailand with your man Richie Mack, the Travel O.G.
Now we got to get on to the difference between a low vibrational traveler and a master traveler, because they not like us, man. So can you define the difference between a master traveler and a low vibrational traveler?
I would say a low vibrational traveler, like somebody like these weekend warriors that come in, they travel to certain countries during the weekends and they doing dumb shit like throwing money, showing off, or, you know, like that. Like, to me, I feel like that's low vibration because you're actually setting yourself up to get robbed. Because normally when that happens, especially like when it happens in DR, you always hear a story about them getting robbed or something happened with the police, right? That's low vibration. A person who's really more of a, I would say, experienced traveler, they would have actually investigate or actually do a consultation. You going to Thailand? Call this man. You going to a country that Czech been? Consultation with us, and we tell you, you know what I'm saying, how to get.
You doing consultations?
Yeah, I've been doing
consultations. I wish I did. How am I supposed to know, Czech?
Traveling overseas for the first time or any time can be both exciting and daunting. Spinning off to a new country that has unfamiliar customs, rules, and regulations, not to mention unknown languages, can quickly turn your dream trip into a stressful situation if you don't do your research. Low vibrational people don't understand this. This is why consultations with experienced travelers such as BMT, International Zoe, Czech in Effect, Coach Andre, Skylar DeRuin, Chocolate Man, Jay the Black Filipino, myself, El Guapo, and Austin will have you covered just about anywhere around the world you go.
We get beat up every now and then because they say YouTubers are always interviewing other YouTubers. But you know what? Sometimes the best source of information for the folks watching are from guys with boots on the ground that are running around doing things and experiencing life over here, and they're willing to share it.
Experienced Master Travelers offers insights that guidebooks and online forums can't show you. We provide personalized advice tailored to your needs, from the best places to stay, best places to eat at and explore, to the cultural nuances you should be aware of. We can help you avoid common pitfalls and scams, ensuring your journey is smooth and enjoyable. A consultation can save you time and money, offering tips on the most efficient travel routes, the best time to visit, the most popular attractions, and how to handle unexpected situations. With our first-hand experience, we have made the mistakes for you. We can recommend hidden gems that aren't in the tourist guides, giving you a richer, more authentic travel experience.
It's your boy Simon back with another video reminding you it's time to recover your life. I'm telling y'all, you can't make this shit up. Passport Bros in effect here in the Philippines. It's my boy Damone, right?
Damone, absolutely.
Yeah, from Chi-Town, out here in the Philippines. Been here a month. I've been here a couple weeks. Richie Mack, we just want to tell you we love you, man. Keep doing what you're doing. You're inspiring us to do the best thing for us. Get out of the matrix.
This is Jay Bias here in Tokyo, Japan. I just want to give a shout out to Richie Mack. Thank you, Richie, for putting me up on game, getting me right for my trip to Thailand. Richie went over where to stay, what to do, what not to do. You know, everything that I was curious about that you can't really talk about on YouTube. You know, I've been around, I've traveled a lot, but whenever I go somewhere different, I do like to check in with someone that's local, that knows the lay of the land. So if you're going to Thailand or you're thinking about going to Thailand, definitely reach out to Richie. He will save you time and money.
What's up? Welcome to Thailand.
Hey!
Just finished my consultation with the Travel O.G, Richie Mack. I will have to say it was very, very informative. He gives you some very, very valuable information that you need to know, such as scooters, insurance, where to live, hospitals, All that stuff you get in the consultation. So book your consultation.
Richie Mack, this is Abel. I'm actually in Thailand because of you. Had never even heard of Phuket until our consult. So for those who are thinking about coming to Thailand, thinking about getting out of the matrix, get your consult. I did with the Travel O.G. More than worth it, and haven't even seen everything. I'm about to get to my hotel. I'm discovering a place called Fifi Island. I'm gonna go hit that tomorrow, and I absolutely will be in Pattaya. Thank you, Richie Mack. I can't say enough how you continue to assist me even after our consult. So guys, ladies even, get your consult, get to Thailand, be amazed.
What's up, Richie Mack? You the reason I'm here. The only reason I came to Thailand was because zoom to Thailand. I'm from the DMV, Richie Mack. I hope to see you. Peace.
Man, you guys, I mean, like, you've been instrumental basically because, like, we were like trapped, like suffocating back home in England, London, where I'm from. You know, it's a small city. So when you see the world opening up and you see guys like yourself, like ambassadors, like, you know, representing for us, you know, as black people, you know, it's beautiful, you know what I mean? It's like, it's nice to see us being portrayed like that. So it inspired me to kind of take the plunge. Have a look back, you know. And, man, I can't really thank you, bro. You've transformed my life, man. Seriously, like, you don't realize.
That means a lot, bro. That really does.
You don't realize, bro, man. It's almost like men like yourself were like heaven sent. So I don't know what was your intention when you set up your channel, man. But man, the intention is like, you know what I mean? It's like affected millions. I feel blessed. You know, I just came in there randomly. I saw the bed of something like, I didn't want to get too starstruck. I'm trying to stay grounded, but thank you for everything, man.
I appreciate you, man. Thank you. Well, I got to thank Shanice. She's the one that made me famous.
Lucky man.
And they trying to steal this one away. They trying to steal this one away. Say, save yourself back, man.
Save yourself back, man. Save yourself back, man.
What you putting on me?
Opposite.
Whoa. Telephone call.
Hey, what's up, Zoom Tribe? Just got off the phone with Richie Mack, the Travel O.G. That consultation was very insightful and helpful in planning my stay in Thailand. We talked from everything from hotel stays, different venues and places I can visit, from food to women, everything.
Now, do I think you absolutely have to have a consultation when you travel? Absolutely not. But if you want a shortcut, if you want to get right to the business and not waste any time trying to figure stuff out, a consultation is the best way to go. You have never heard or you will never hear about any of the people I recommend for consultations that will come back with a whack report.
You know, me and Czech got into it, man, on a humbug, man. Me and Czech got in because Czech changed his number and sent me a message just on some, it was just on some sideways shit, not knowing that I don't know that's his new number. So I'm like, nigga, but it was Czech. So Czech is like, man, what I do? You know what I mean? So
this dude had some beef going on. I mean, he had something going on. This was about a year. When was it?
Yeah.
Something like that. So he had something going on in YouTube, you know what I'm saying? And I've been dealing with haters, so I know I had this. This man.
It was new for me.
It's new for him, but I've been dealing with it. So this man, I'm calling you to check up on you. Right? But I changed my number and I didn't realize it. So he was like, "Who's this?" I thought he was joking. I'm like, man, you know what this is. I said,
you did say you know what this is.
I said, we have a common friend.
Yes.
And he was like, and I said, man, this Czech. F you biatch. No, I'm like,
Czech.
What? So I called my homeboy. I'm like, yo, bro, what I did to Richie? This man calling me a bitch and all.
I don't believe I called you a bitch. I think I said eat a D. I think I said eat a D.
You didn't just say bitch. You said biatch.
Really?
The West Coast, biatch.
Damn.
That nigga said eat a D.
Yeah,
like,
probably, yeah, because I was like...
So I done thought my arch enemy got to you. I was like, oh yeah, he got to him. I done lost one. But yeah, man, it's crazy.
I'm so glad we cleared that up, man.
Yeah, then my homeboy hit him up, and then once my homeboy hit him up, they cleared everything.
Shout out to Tone, man.
Yeah.
Says, man, shout out to Tone.
Shout out to Tony. Tony hit him up.
And then when Tony hit him up and told him, yeah, that was really Czech, and he called me. You hit me
Yeah,
back
I hit you back. Yeah, I'm like, man, I'm
Bro,
sorry.
I was
Chick.
worried, bro. I was like, what did I do to him? Because I know you had this thing going. I'm like, yo, did I say something?
Yeah,
about
nah,
that?
you didn't do nothing. Nah. But sometimes you got to just pop out and show them. You know what I mean? So, you know, that's why I'm here in LA, man. You know, that's like, you know. But anyway, so tell me this, Czech. So,
but as far as consultation,
yes,
actually, how it came about was people actually was hitting me up for consultation.
They was asking me about a country like Morocco, because you know people want to go places like you know places that most people don't really go. Morocco, they hit me up. People hit me up about Africa because from the time I did videos in Africa and Kenya, a lot of people came to Kenya, and I'm sitting in Kenya going to the bars, lounges, random people. Check. You check? Yeah, bro. I'm here because of you.
Yeah. Ain't that a good feeling? I get that so much in Thailand, bro.
That's
the best feeling in the world, man. When I would say, I watched your video because of you, I'm here, man. That means they believe in us enough to really ride. And then when they get the fulfillment of being here and seeing what we saying is on point, no better feeling in the world, man. That is a fact.
Zoom to Thailand. Hope you coming too. Richie Mac, Travel O.G with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it popping. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, Travel O.G. Let's go.
Zoom Fest 2024.
That's right. So Suni's going to be one of the excursion. You guys are going to get to come to see Suni in person, get your hair cut, get your pampering, get your nails done, whatever you do, but don't steal her staff. Exactly. Yeah, man. So she say steal her. But that's one of the excursions. Suni, you don't want to miss it.
Zoom Fest 2024 is unlike anything you've ever experienced. 12 to 15 days, 11 to 14 nights, 2 or 3 cities, a private yacht party, a celebrity golf tournament, and the time of your life. Make sure to take advantage of the $500 off all packages before March 1st. You have 3 options: the balling on a budget package, the hangover package, and finally, the James Bond Platinum Executive Package. This package includes first-class 5-star accommodations, private, transportation, and admission to all events. But most important, it keeps you and your business private, just like first class on an airplane. Nobody knows you're there. We have packages for every budget. A consultation with the Travel O.G is included in all packages. Tipping and airfare. Not included packages start at $47.99. Zoom to Thailand at gmail.com. Payments can be made only through Cash App and PayPal at Zoom to Thailand. Your future awaits you.
Yo, in business class, thanks to Richie Mac, you know, his console absolutely blessed me on my second trip to Thailand. And, you know, this is global entry, you know, and it's a blessing to be able to be in business class if you can. Get the exit row. I mean, you need the leg room for a long flight. But I just want to encourage those who continue to listen to Richie Mac. His advice, his console is worth the money, will save you money and time, which you cannot get back. The time part you can't get back. Money you can make over, not the time. So again, I just want to say thank you, Richie Mac. Good night, guys.